Good morning, everyone. Today we shall revise Chapter 6 from Civics textbook Understanding Media. In this chapter, we shall mainly discuss a relationship between media and you. We shall start this chapter with meaning what is media. All medium of communication is also known as media or mass media. Media is plural form of medium. In our daily life, we use different modes of communication, and all these modes of communication impact on our daily lives, like radio, television, newspaper, internet, and several other forms of communication. All these modes of communication impact on our daily lives. Media is the plural form of the word medium, and it describes the various ways through which we communicate in society. Because it refers to all means of communication. It may be phone, TV, all these are related to media. Next heading is media and technology. Explain the relationship between media and technology. What is the relationship between media and technology? Newspaper, television, and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. We also tend to discuss newspapers and magazines as the print media and TV and radio as the electronic media. There are two types of media. One is print media and second is electronic media. प्रिंट मीडिया के एग्जांपल्स क्या हैं हमारे पास? न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड मैगजीन्स, एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया टीवी एंड रेडियो. Changing technology or machines and making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and the images that you see. But technology does more than this. It also changes the ways in which we think about our lives. Just think about television. Earlier, black and white television, after that, invention of color television, and now, new platform, LCD, LEDs, and other modes. There is a great importance of television in our life. It works through satellites and cables. It allows to view news and entertainment channels from other parts of the world. Most of the cartoons that you see on television are mostly from Japan or United States. We can now be sitting in Chennai, Jammu, and can be see images of a storm that has hit the coast of Florida in the United States. Television has brought the world closer to us. Recently, we have seen the view of Uttarakhand disaster in previous 2 days. In last 2 days, media have covered so many videos, photos of this disaster. With electronic typewriters, journalism underwent a sea change in the 1940s. Next heading is media and money. The different technologies that mass media use are very expensive. Just think about the TV studio in which the newsreader sits. We may see this view. It has lights, cameras, sound recorders, transmission, satellites, etc. And all of which cost a lot of money. There are so many huge expenses in a news studio. The technologies that mass media use keep changing, and so a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. Mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money, and one way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising, like advertisement of cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones, etc. You have noticed the advertisements that you have to see while watching your favorite television show. And the same advertisements are shown repeatedly between each break. The cost to advertise on a news channel varies from rupees 500 to rupees 8,000 per 10 second, and depending on the popularity of the channels. In this picture we may also see staff members of the studio. There are many of workers who worked in the news channels. Next heading is media and democracy. In a democracy, the media plays a very important role in providing news and discussing events taking place in the country and the world. On the basis of this information, the citizens can learn how government works, about the functioning of government. Some of the ways in which they can do this is by writing letters to the concerned ministers. If the citizens of the country do not like the functioning of the government, then they can write letters to the concerned minister, organizing a public protest, starting a signature campaign, asking the government to rethink its program, etc. Just like किसान agitation now in these days, जो अभी चल रहा है आपका किसान आंदोलन, in the same way it is a public protest. Media present the functioning of government through her broadcasting, televisions, channels, and radio news. It is important that the media provides a balanced information. Citizens can keep a check on the basis of this news, like public protest, signature campaigns, and pressurize the government. So, media should provide a balanced report on each and every topic. What is balanced report? A balanced report is one that discuss all points of view of a particular story and then leave it to the readers to make up their minds. And a balanced report depends on the media being independent. If the media is independent, then report will be balanced report. But the reality is that media is far from independent. This is mainly because of two reasons. The first is the control that the government has on the media. When the government prevents either a news item or scenes from a movie or the lyrics of a song from being shared with the larger public, this is referred to as censorship. What is the meaning of censorship? When the government prevents either a news item or scene from a movie or the lyrics of a song from being shared with the larger public, this is known as censorship. And the government has done the same during the period 1975 to 77, in emergency period, during the emergency period. And now a question arises, is media really independent? No. There are many challenges because it controls through censorship, government controls it through censorship, and despite the absence of censorship, दोनों चीज़ें इस पर कंट्रोल करती हैं. While the government does continue to censor films, it does not really censor the media's coverage of news. In the absence of censorship by the government, most newspapers nowadays still fail to provide a balanced story. On the last page, we have two examples of this. These are the examples. Intentionally, most of the newspapers do not want to show balanced story because of the interest of the business, their connection with the political, because they provide advertisements, influenced influence of politicians, in the influence of politicians. Person who research the media have said that this happens because business houses control the media. Media is thus no longer considered independent because of its close links to businesses. The media also tends to focus on a particular aspect of a story because they believe this makes the story interesting. All the matter of TRP. What does TV do to us and what can we do with TV? Source of enjoyment like programs, maths, and news. Next heading, setting agendas. The media also play an important role in deciding what stories to focus on. Media does not focus on stories, it is more interested in what stories do we focus on. For example, the annual function at your school is unlikely to make the news. But if a famous actor is invited as the chief guest, then the media might be interested in covering it. Due to the significant influence it plays in our lives and in shaping our thoughts, it is commonly said that the media sets the agenda कि किस न्यूज़ को हाईलाइट करना है. Recently, the media drew our attention to alarming level of pesticides in cola drinks. They published reports that indicated the high level of pesticides and thus made us aware of the need to regularly monitor these colas according to international quality and safety standards. Private and negative aspects of media. There are several instances when the media fails to focus on issues that are significant in our lives. For example, drinking water is a major problem in the country. Every year, thousands of people suffer and die because they do not get safe drinking water. However, we seldom find the media discussing the issue. A well-known Indian journalist wrote of how the fashion week, बट वो क्या मेंशन करते हैं? फैशन वीक्स को. कॉमन इश्यूज को रेज नहीं करते ये लोग. As citizens of a democracy, the media has a very important role to play in our lives because it is through the media that we hear about issues related to the working of the government. The media decides what to focus on, and in this way, it sets the agenda. The government can at times prevent the media from publishing a story, and this is called censorship. What is the importance of local media? When media do not interested in covering small issues, then involve ordinary people and their daily lives, several local groups have come forward to start their own media. Here is an example of a newspaper on local basis started by Dalit women named Khabar Lehriya by Dalit women in Chitrakoot district in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, students, revise this chapter completely and find out internal questions from this chapter and keep preparation for your exams. Question answers and worksheet of this chapter we shall do in our next lecture. Thank you.